Ang pangutana, do you believe that beauty is in the eye of the beholder?
Behold. Beauty is in your eyes.
Behold.
Huh.
Do I believe that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder? Behold, beauty is in your eyes. So kitang tanan, beautiful magita, behold yun.
Oh.
Kana i-hold yun mo beauty. Ayaw ihatag sa uban. Kay
Hold.
Hold good.
This is the hold, oh.
Nya kada bang lisod naman ang kuan mo dai mo assume in the eye of the beholder.
Oh.
In the eye of the beholder sa
Paps,
mata.
kung sa Bisaya pa na paps sa man paps ni.
In the eye of the beholder.
Or kanang beauty is in the eye of the tiger.
Beauty is the eye of the tiger. So ato ka dito, ay mong beauty ato na sa mata sa tiger. I don't like that.
Oh, ipakaon sa tiger.
Yes, hindi na siya maayo. Pero kada bang beauty is in the eye yun. Alam nga na beauty in the nose. Beauty sa do. I believe in the saying that beauty is in the nose of the beholder. Behold, beauty is in your nose. Oh my God.
Or beauty is in your mouth.
Beauty in your eyes. Beauty, behold, beauty is in your eyes. Ano ba? That's it. Disappointing. Beauty is the eye of the teeth. The beauty is of the teeth. Pwede sa Chopino.
Oh, pwede ra sa.
Pero at the end of the day, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Maging naandan.
Because I believe in the saying that goes na, beauty ka ng eyes is the window of our...
eyes of the window of my soul. Soul is the window of my eyes. Sabi sir, pwede. Nose is the window of my soul. Sabi sir, pwede. Teeth is my window of my soul. As a human. As a person. As a human. Living is a beautiful country. Makahago ng man. Bakit hindi? Lumalaban.